Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Trees and I'm starting this intro before the kids wake up because the time right now is about 6:40. So I'm trying to do this before they wake up because I swear, like, every single time when I wake up, they smell me or something and just wakes up. Hopefully they sleep for the next hour. But yeah, I'm gonna get myself ready right now. But y'all, I can't believe it's been 5 years now since my husband and I got married. It's crazy, but 5 whole years. But we're going out later on, which we're gonna bring the kids with us. Because I'm not there yet to like have babysitter. I don't even know when that time's gonna be. But yeah. Which the kids, they usually be good whenever we like go out and eat or whatever. It's like they're not even there. I believe my husband got off at 4 today. He's not working late because he's been working late for the past couple weeks or whatever. But yeah. But I am gonna go to the grocery store and pick up a card. But y'all, can y'all believe today's our anniversary? Look at my hair. Right. I need to get it together. In my head, I thought I had more time to, like, you know, get my hair ready and all, put myself together. And yeah, I love wearing my natural hair. I hate to have like wigs and actual hair in my head. Like when my head feels free. So okay guys, so baby girl woke up and she's pointing, asking for her sister. So I went ahead and take her to her sister because she woke up and came straight to our bed in the morning. So we did our morning usual cuddle and all. Also guys, throughout this video, you're gonna hear me chip in a little bit doing a little voiceover as well. Go to the library and then we gotta go to the store. You know, today's Mama and Dada wedding anniversary. Your turn. Come in. Foot. 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 Thank you. Next foot. This foot. This foot. Thank you. Thank you. Stand up. Up. Spit. Okay guys, so right now I just left the library and now we're headed to the grocery store. It's 10:55 right now, so it's still early. Yes, baby.
Mama,
Yes.
look my hands.
Oh, okay. Show me to clean our hands. But yeah, we're gonna head to the grocery store right now. This one is so funny. Y'all see? Okay, we got the card. We are back home now. And Miss Layla, she couldn't wait for me to give her crackers, so she took it up on herself and dumped the whole crackers on the ground. We went to Target and I was trying to get something, but I didn't end up getting it. And I wasn't gonna go to Target, so I should have just come straight home. Wait, huh? Yeah, look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna try it right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it too.
Yes, you are.
What's my plate now?
Where's your plate?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get it.
Okay. I can't wait for it.
You can't wait for it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this actually tastes like Easter bun. Oh, really good. How is it? Yeah? Mm-hmm. Mary says it's good.
This is good.
It's good. Yeah, last year I actually baked my own Easter bun. And I'm not gonna lie, this year one came out really good. The taste is on point. This tastes really good. It actually tastes like Easter bun. The only thing, I don't have cheese. No, Layla. That's your sister's. You want more? Come. Here. Here. So it's way later in the evening and I'm getting ready for us to head out to celebrate our 5-year wedding anniversary. And our waiter, he brought the girls these little cute little ice cream with whipped cream on top. And Layla, she was getting all fussy because she wanted it. It's Sunday, Easter Sunday, so happy Easter. We went to church this morning. And I'm in here making us some potato. Y'all, look at this. The straw burst this morning. But yeah, it's been a couple of days since I actually picked the camera up. Just bring y'all along with us for the rest of our day. It's about 3 o'clock right now. It's 2:59. Yeah, and right now my husband, he's outside grilling. And I'm in here cooking. I'm making potato salad. And what else? I think that's about it. Potato salad has some salad on the side. So let me show y'all. Huh? I baked some cupcakes from scratch. They're vanilla cupcakes. That's the sauce for the chicken. These are what I just put ketchup, honey, and some barbecue sauce. Layla actually just woke up. But yeah, she didn't wake up for like maybe 5 minutes now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get her. I'll be right back. We gave the girls the Easter basket.
Layla, come here. Come here. Hello. Happy Easter.
I'll take this off.
And y'all, right now, the house is looking a hot mess. Here, you want it? So you want to get it yourself? You want it?
Oh, my heart's sticky.
Your heart stuffy?
Yeah, I listen to her heart.
You want to take the stuffy heart?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Okay guys, dinner is all done and ready. Right here. Eat. It's 4:25 right now. So it's still pretty early. I'm not sure what we're doing after we're done eating, but I'll try to take y'all along with us for the rest of the evening because I haven't vlogged much today. Because we went to church and all, as I was saying earlier, but I realized I haven't vlogged anything. I'm like really bad at that, but I will get better. This is our plate. Sip I want. Chee-hoo. Yeah. But it's way later now and we're about to get the girls ready for bed. It's, hold on. It's 7:50 right now. About to get the kiddos ready for bed. We're cleaning up downstairs. My husband is actually mopping. He might be all done with mopping by now. But we're gonna get the girls ready for bed.
Okay, poop.
You gotta poop?
Yeah.
No, she gotta poop. Come on.
I could be the perfect dog.
Look in your face.